I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a billing problem on the DoorDash app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history and billing details. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. From there, select Manage Account to find billing options. Step 3. Check payment methods. In the account settings, look for the Payment Methods section. Review your saved payment options to ensure they are correct and up to date. Step 4. Review order history. Navigate to order history to find the specific order that has a billing issue. Check for any discrepancies in charges or discounts apply. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, the app might show a pending charge that doesn't reflect in your order history. Be sure to mention this when contacting support for a faster resolution. I hope this helps you resolve your billing issue quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.